Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sidra, and on this channel we talk about hijab and every experience that can happen to a hijabi in the West. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my daily routine hijab, and for that I use a tilted hijab cap like this one, but I move it from the center to the above of my eyebrow. I would encourage you to watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you all of the styles with a lot of accessories that I make with this kind of hijab. So this cap and also this hijab, it is available on Amazon, also on Modanisa, and also on AliExpress. So the next step is to fold this hijab. I would always recommend folding because it provides stiffness and the shape to your face. So you have to divide the hijab into two parts. One runs longer and one runs shorter until the belly. Now we need to just secure it under our chin and adjust if there is any creases. I'm gonna use a round-ended pin. I will link it into the description box. This is also available on Amazon. This is the safest option. It does not destroy the fabric. It does not destroy your skin. So the next thing I'm using is the pearl-ended pin, and I'm gonna use it to secure both scarf and my hijab cap on top. Now I'm gonna just tilt the shorter part on the top of my head and wrap it around. On this step, you wanna take your time and adjust all of the layers because this is the step which provides the volume and the beauty of it. So I'm just taking my time. I am adjusting every layer. So here on this side, you see a bump and you want to adjust it. So here you see one of the style that I have used, this kind of hijab on a wedding. You can use more pins. You can put one pin on each layer. I'm just gonna go ahead and put one pin on all of the layers and secure it with just one pin. Here's another hijab style. I usually do not wear the round hijab cap, but in this one I'm wearing it. So this style can be used with every hijab cap. So now the longer edge will go on the head, and on the side you just secure it with the normal safety pin. I'm just gonna use one safety pin. If it's not enough, then you can use more than one. So this is the time now for the final touches. You can adjust it as you like. I'm just gonna remove the lower one. I just used it to cover my neck. So this is another style that I made with this similar hijab style using another scarf. So I'm just making some adjustments. Here you see another style where I'm doing the same hijab, and here how it's looking from the back. So everything is covered, your neck is covered. If you want to secure it more, you can use the safety pins for that as well. I'm just leaving it like that. And this is the final look. So I'm gonna leave for Rotterdam, and I will see you guys in Rotterdam and in the next video. So bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe.